What's up, everybody? It's Koinonia Trader back again. Just taking you guys through a trade that I took today. This is one of the many trades that I took today, but this is only on one of my accounts with Apex. So you can see I entered here on this trade at the blue arrow right there. I bought some contracts here and ended up selling them right here. My final target on this was previous day high at 18,755.50. And so let's go through why I came in with a bullish bias today. And the only trades that I took were long trades. So starting out on the 4-hour chart, this morning, I noticed that overnight when we came down here for London session, we put in a higher low. We didn't take out the low from Monday here that I'm hovering over, and we also didn't come for this low right here. So because we have a higher low, and then London put in a higher low, I started to become a little bullish on the day. Just looking at the 4-hour chart, right? We've been in a downtrend lately. We had this massive push down here, which did not take out this low right there, which is also very interesting. It did not take out that low, and we reacted out of that, creating a higher low and another higher low. So now switching over to the 15-minute chart, I wanted to see what the overnight action did. And this is a pretty much clear as day accumulation, manipulation, distribution, continuation, right? We accumulated in Asia. We manipulated down during London, which was very obvious. We took out this 15-minute low, and we also traded into this 15-minute fair value gap, which we reacted out of. And so that plus the higher time frame structure made me super bullish on the day. So I was looking mainly for bullish entries or any kind of bullish form of a setup. And so on the 15-minute time frame, we saw that. I marked out some higher time frame fair value gaps that I saw. We had this one right here. We had this one right here, which were two areas where we could have reacted out of. And taking this trade here around 10:45, I saw that we had dropped, which is great because that is what I wanted to see on the 1-minute time frame for the open session. We dropped and did not have a strong push down. So that made me even more bullish, because if we are going to be bearish on the day by 10:30, 11 o'clock, we would already start to see that move down. But we would continuously have the bulls try to push up and bears coming in. And when I saw that this fair value gap got inverted, and I took another trade on a different account here, and I ended up selling around here because I realized the day was very choppy, and I was telling myself it's probably going to be choppy for the AM session. But I took the range that we were trading within, and I noticed that here we kept reacting out of discount, which is great. Because we don't want to keep pushing down further into discount. On the 1-minute time frame, we saw the same thing as well. We have a low put in. We didn't take out that low. Again, we're not taking out these lows. We have higher lows. On the 5-minute, it showed up as higher lows. Here, obviously, we have a lot of choppiness. But I decided to take my entry here because I saw that we just kept respecting bullish PD arrays on the higher time frame, and with that narrative of it being a bullish day, I wanted to get in a long entry no matter what. I know a lot of people were trading short. Everybody kept looking for short setups, which is okay, right? You could still make your money like that. I know some people banked on that, so good for them. But I honestly wanted to just make it higher time. I wanted to make my trade to be the higher time frame flow, which was bullish. And so once I got into that, I wanted my stop to be below this low right here because we did not take that out. And if we were going to come to this, then that's when I figured we were going to end up taking out that low. So that's where my trade would become invalid. So obviously lots of drawdown around here. We ended up getting a big push around 12:30 there, which was great. And I wanted to see this I think there's a 5-minute fair value gap or a 15-minute fair value gap, get respected after that push back out. And we did. And lo and behold, we ended up getting that big push on up, almost hitting the draw on liquidity right there. So why is that my draw on liquidity? If you look at the 4-hour time frame, it is a previous day high. If we are not taking out these lows, we're going to obviously go for a high, which is this one right here, the high of the range that we've been in for since the beginning of the week. So we were going to go for external liquidity here. We also have 4-hour buy side liquidity right up here. So we could very well come up to this as well, but we'll see. Regardless, the trade I took was great. Overall, this trade is a 1 to 3.4, which is a very high R to R trade. I took my profit here because I didn't want to keep looking at it. It passed this high. That was enough for me. I didn't want to keep holding, but I missed out pretty much on 2R. So if you had the time to stay at the charts and look at it, that would have been a good trade, but I didn't. I had something else to do. But I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, I am always here to help. I always am available through messages here on YouTube. If you comment on my YouTube, I will send you the link to the Discord that I have with a couple of friends if you want to join up. But yeah, overall a great day. A lot of patience. When in doubt, zoom out always. Don't get caught up in this chop. Look at the higher time frame. I stuck through it because I knew we were going to be bullish on the day. So hopefully you guys did not get chopped up. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.